Yes, sir, baby. This battery about to die, and that's it. Perfect timing. And that $40 job, 40-something dollar job, just turned into a $100 and something job because of them stairs, and they added another item. All in a day's work, man. Turn $1 into $2, little money into some decent money. I'm excited. Can't say I'm excited. I'm happy. I can't complain. On to a good start of the day. It's still early in the day, so hopefully we can get something. Like I said, this battery about to die, so I'll holler at y'all later, man. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. What up, fam? It's 9 million. I'm back with another vlog, y'all. Another day getting to another dollar. It's actually the same day. If y'all saw me do them 2 dollies, this is the same day but a different vlog. It's a money making day, that's for sure. Another day getting to another dollar. I got a junk remover right now, so I'm down here grabbing the trailer so we can go get it and not have to worry about no space, because there's some couches. It's an office clean out, it sounds like. Couches, desks, chairs, office chairs and such. So shouldn't be hard. It's just gonna be me handling it. So hopefully it ain't hard. And yeah. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Much appreciated.
And that's going to go in the garbage.
Those couches and that desk not really gonna do too much. I'm gonna take that to the dump. However, let me see about, almost rolled down the stairs, y'all. 6 chairs. I'm sure I'm putting these offer up. Trying to make some money some type of way with this bad boy. You feel me? What started off as just a junk removal, cleaning out this office, it's gonna be a move as well. Got a few items to show to move. I'm gonna try and go to the dump now. Dump this and then get back and move this stuff. That's the plan. We'll see. She said she got somebody to help me. My buddy ain't available right now. A couple of my other buddies are sick. Not good. Solo dolo. Let's see what she says about her buddy though. Yeah, I might as well just go dump that bad boy and then come back. All right, baby, all said and done with the junk removal aspect at least. She just came down while I was strapping that up and said that she got a buddy coming through with a truck to help move some stuff. So I may not be getting that move job after all. We'll see. Either way, I'm going to the dump and create some space on this bad boy, and then I'm gonna hit her up and see if she still needs some stuff moved. Good thing about it is the dump is real close to here. Probably I say about 10 minutes or so. Maybe longer because of traffic now, but I'm not too far. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Stay tuned, man. See y'all at the dump. All right, upon observation, I looked online to get directions to this city dump that I'll go to that's not too far away from here, but they close in like 20 minutes. So I won't be able to get this stuff emptied and then get back over here to do that move. She called a buddy of hers. He showed up with a truck, so they may be able to get it all. I don't know. As soon as I'm done with this vlog, I'm gonna give her a call and see, you know, if need to set something up for tomorrow or the day after or whatever. So that's gonna be it for today, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Nothing special, but your boy staying active out here. Thanks for being part of the journey, y'all. Get in the comments, man. Check back in tomorrow. Let's see what we can get into, man. Hopefully it's some more good money like today was, baby. Peace.